Why are US asylum applications taking so long? Have you ever wondered why it takes so many years for someone to get a decision on their asylum case in the United States? It's a question many ask, especially those waiting for protection. Let's explore what causes these delays and what it means for applicants. The main reason for the long wait is the huge number of cases waiting to be processed. Over 1 million asylum applications are pending at the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services. At the same time, more than 1 million cases are waiting in immigration courts. These numbers keep growing each year, making it hard for officials to keep up. Another factor is the limited number of staff and judges available to review cases. Immigration courts have fewer judges than needed, which causes multi-year delays for hearings. USCIS officers also have a heavy workload, and they schedule interviews on a last-in, first-out basis. This means older cases can sit for a long time before being looked at. The process itself is complex. Preparing an asylum application can take between 50 to 75 hours of legal work. Many applicants have experienced trauma, which makes gathering evidence and telling their stories more difficult. Cases involving detention or vulnerable groups are even more complicated and take longer to review. Security checks also add to the delay. After filing, applicants must pass FBI background checks, which can take weeks or months. These checks are necessary to ensure safety but slow down the overall process. Legal representation can make a difference. Those with lawyers tend to get decisions faster and have better chances of success. But many asylum seekers do not have legal help, which can extend the time they wait. Policy changes and staffing shortages also play a role. When funding is limited or policies shift, processing times increase. This impacts how quickly cases move through the system. Applicants can apply for work permits after waiting 150 days from their initial filing. They usually receive the work permit after 180 days. This shows how slow the entire process can be. For Black immigrants seeking asylum, these delays can mean years of uncertainty. It can lead to separation from family and ongoing hardship. Long waits can also affect their ability to settle, find work, and build a life in their new community. To navigate these delays, it helps to get legal advice and understand the asylum clock, which tracks when you become eligible for work permits. Some may explore options like expedited processing if they face extreme hardship. Knowing these facts can help asylum seekers stay informed and advocate for faster, fairer processes.